Fresh fears of nepotism is emerged within ZANU-PF after President Emmerson Mnangagwa's son, David Mnangagwa, took up a senior role in the ruling party's youth league structures. Sanabena Mashkumbani Bachi's Mnangagwa's son grabbed top post in ZANU-PF Youth League that was subscribable like on the bill icon. Timna Mnamubdani Bamchenzi, a party source confirmed on Tuesday that David Mnangagwa attended the ZANU-PF Youth League National Executive Meeting held at the party headquarters ahead of the inaugural National Assembly for 2026. The source described the gathering as an important preparatory meeting for the youth wing as the ruling party intensifies mobilization efforts ahead of next year's major assembly. In course, we were privileged to have the ZANU-PF Youth League National Deputy Secretary for External Affairs Honorable David Mnangagwa gracing the National Executive Meeting held at party headquarters as a precursor to the inaugural National Assembly for 2026, the source said. His growing prominence within the Youth League has already sparked murmurs among critics who accuse the ruling party of promoting family connections over merit. According to insiders, his attendance at the high-level meeting was portrayed as a sign of Youth League's strategic role in consolidating support for the party. His presence underscored the critical role of the Youth League in shaping the party's forward thrust in mobilizing youth commands ahead of this historic National Assembly, the source said. Party officials also reiterated the Youth League's commitment to advancing ZANU-PF's political agenda. As we unite behind the revolution, the Youth League remains committed to defending the gains of our nation and advancing the agenda of sustainable development, job creation and youth empowerment under the banner of ZANU-PF, once the source said. Do mashwana kudanyo kwa pangwa ine moja mafunguro enyi moto kudipa msoro pechitko ichi na komesi kushevedu za funguro enyi msa subscribe wa like chitwa mbeo wa icon